Here's the news of the day. Nova Scotia has ordered 4 new Airbus H125 helicopters to enhance its wildfire response and emergency operations, highlighting its commitment to adapting to climate change impacts. Rolls-Royce is advancing the U.S. Army's future long-range assault aircraft with its AE-1107F engines, promising double the speed and range of current rotorcraft. Safran Helicopter Engines has secured Chinese certification for its Arrano 1A engine, supporting the Airbus H160's entry into China, with 15% improved fuel efficiency and SAF compatibility. Skytrack has appointed Shane Sullivan as Vice President of Operations to enhance growth and customer service, leveraging his 25-plus years in aviation. eVTOL Insights Europe Conference in London on November 13th to 14 will feature top industry leaders discussing advanced air mobility, with tickets available on Eventbrite. Ascendance has secured $2 billion in pre-orders for its hybrid electric eVTOL ATIA, planning test flights next year to help decarbonize air travel by up to 50%. Aerodynamics and Cornes Technologies have teamed up to introduce the Transwing VTOL UAS in Japan, focusing on defense and commercial applications, with plans for support at the Japan Aerospace Exhibition. Sweco has partnered with Norsk e-Fuel to support engineering and permitting for Finland's sustainable aviation fuel projects, beginning with a 100 million-liter e-fuel plant in Rauma. Greasezilla and BP have partnered to convert restaurant brown grease into sustainable aviation fuel, aiming to expand production with new facilities and reduce landfill waste. Move is trialing a program to fill empty corporate flight seats by partnering with iJet and Euro Airlines, aiming to increase accessibility and reduce CO2 emissions. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.